Hi friends, I'm like you're watching Tech Be Unique and today we're going to see how to insert an area chart on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To create an area chart on your Canva mobile, first of all click on the elements and just scroll down and you can find an option called chart. Just scroll down to the bottom section here, the chart. Click on the see all option and just swipe down. And here you can find option called area chart, or you can just search as area directly on the search, so you can find the area chart. Here you can find different type of area chart. I just go with this area chart, it's so unique. And now you just can edit the data by just simply tapping here. You can just change the data. For an example, just change this value to 8. You can see it automatically update on the top of the screen. And if you just need, you can see there is a lot of items here. You can just easily edit. Just click on this and you have this option to edit here. So you can just add data if you have a Google sheet of data. Otherwise you can just use this option to edit, and you can just add more rows if you just need it. And just close this, and here you can just change the color of the data by just clicking here. You can just easily change the colors on the area of chart. And also you have a lot of other more options. If you just need to change this area chart, just tap here. You can just you can just add another area chart if you just need it, or if you don't want, just double tap here. And here you can just double tap here and you can easily delete the chart. So this is how you just insert a area chart on your Canva mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.